Hello. Hey, welcome to ZZ. I know you guys are probably getting started here and you have questions and things like that. Wanted to tell you thank you for watching the videos. There's a lot packed into the videos for sure. And they're searchable, by the way. If you have a question on something, you could search. But this video is going to be video number 1, and we're going to replace this one because we've had some updates, okay? So we're going to create a project and import plans, okay? So if I go back to my takeoff tab here, and I hit the drop down and say new project, and this drop down is your workspace, and I'll just go with starter video. And you don't have to fill all this in if you don't want. You can, of course. Status, lead estimator, whoever's on your workspace, the address, things like that, okay? So when you hit create project, it's going to say, hey, you got some plans for me? So what we're going to do is, let me find a set here. Let me just do this, Smith. There we go, we'll do Smith and upload. And now you're going to have a choice here, okay? And this is new to zzTakeoff on this last revision. You can have it auto name your sheets, auto number your sheets, give a date, issue, and a scale if you want. A lot of people are finding out that when they have revisions, these moving to the next revision is real easy this way. Some people want to have the choice, say, hey, I don't want to scale my plans. I want to do that myself, or I don't want to number them. I just want to kind of work from here. So you can go ahead and enter these or uncheck them. It's up to you. It's the initial set, so we're going to call this 0. And you can actually put a date issued and a date received, okay? That'll help you track these a little bit better. In fact, let's just go ahead and put a date of January 6th, okay? And I'm going to hit next. And now it's loading up all these plans here. And once I get them, I can choose and say, hey, I want all of them or none of them, or only 2 or 3 of them. In this case, we're going to go with all because it's a brand new set, okay? Once you have made your choices, go ahead and hit upload. And what it's doing is it's, getting ready for you. But watch on the left. It's going to actually scale, name, number, wash your car, clean your windows, all kinds of stuff here, okay? So this is a real big time saver. And when you see the pluses on the right there, that means they're scaled, okay? And you can see that they've gone from Smith 5/20/21 to page 20 to the proper name here, okay? So it says upload's complete. I can hit next. Now, if I had some existing data, if this was a revision, which it's not, we can enter in a new set of plans and we can choose to migrate data. But because we haven't done any takeoffs on this is a brand new project, we're going to go ahead and hit done. Okay? Now, here you have a set of plans that is scaled, that has the proper number, and the proper name on it, and it's taken the name from here and the page number from here and the scale. I believe the scale's down here on this one. Yeah, scale from here. So it automatically does it to you for you. But if you see that you have like a red triangle over here, what it means is that there's either no scale on it, they couldn't find one, or it has multiple scales on it, okay? And we have videos on multiple scales, okay? So now basically you're ready to start doing takeoffs, okay? And we'll get into these takeoff properties in the next coming videos, okay? But for now, this is how you start a project in zzTakeoff. If you want to close the project, you can come up here and just say close project. And if you want to open a project, you can come here and do the recent, or you can search, but I'm going to go ahead and do starter video. And there we go. There's my plans. Now, you can navigate like this if you like. We also have some thumb tabs that you can adjust and move around and actually go to that page. If I click on this one, it'll take me right to that page. All right. So getting you started is real easy in zzTakeoff. Basically, you just need to have your set of plans ready to import, and start importing, start taking off. Okay. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.